Welcome to Slide Egg. Today, I'm going to show you how to add password protection to your PowerPoint presentation, and how to remove it when you're done. It's super simple, so let's get started. Head to the top left corner and click on File. From there, go to Info, and you'll see an option called Protect Presentation. Click on that, and a drop-down menu will appear. Now, choose Encrypt with Password. When you click it, a box will pop up asking for your password. Type in the password you want to use, then click OK. Right after that, it will ask you to confirm your password. Just type it again and hit OK. Don't forget to save your presentation once the password is set. Now, close your presentation to test it out. When you try to open it again, you'll see that it's asking for a password. Type the password you created, click OK, and just like that, your presentation opens up. You can now edit anything, slides, text, or whatever else you need. But what if you want to remove the password? That's easy too. Just go back to File, click Info, and then select Protect Presentation again. Choose Encrypt with Password one more time, and when the password box pops up, simply delete the password and click OK. Save your presentation again, close it, and reopen it to check. You'll see that the password is gone, and your presentation opens freely. And that's it. You've now learned how to add and remove password protection in PowerPoint. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Slide Egg. See you in the next one.